Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation on an airplane. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends and the flight attendants. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. Why do many people order tomato juice on an airplane? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Here we go, our first big trip together.
I know. I can't believe we are really on the plane.
Let me check our seats. Where are our tickets?
I have them right here. Let me look.
What are the numbers?
You are in 23A. I am in 23B.
23A. A means window. I got the window seat.
You are so happy about that.
Of course. On many planes, A and F are the window seats, so I can look outside.
That's true. And what about my seat, 23B?
B is the middle seat. You are right next to me.
Oh, the middle seat. That's okay. I can still talk to you.
So the row goes like this. A is the window, B is the middle, and C is the aisle.
And then C and D are the aisle seats in the middle of the plane.
Yes, you learn fast, so it's easy to find your seat. The number is the row, and the letter is the side.
That's a good tip. Now I know how to read my ticket.
Let's go. Our row is far in the back.
23. 1, 2, 3. Keep walking.
Here it is, row 23. This is us.
Great. You take the window, I'll take the middle.
Sam, I really want to see the city when we land.
When we land?
Yes. From up high, the streets look so small and pretty. I love that view.
Then this is the perfect seat for you.
I can't wait. When we come down, I will look out this window.
Okay, let's sit down first. People want to pass.
You're right. Let's get comfortable. Now I need to put my bag up here in this top box. Oh no, it's too heavy. I can't lift it.
Hello, do you need some help with that bag?
Yes, please. Thank you so much. I can't reach the overhead bin.
No problem. That's my job. Let me help you.
It's a little heavy. Sorry about that.
It's okay. Your big bag can go up here in the overhead bin. But wait, this one is quite heavy.
Yes, it is. Is that a problem?
For a heavy bag, it is safer under the seat in front of you.
Under the seat? Not up here in the bin?
A big carry-on bag can go up here in the bin, but a heavy bag or a small bag is safer under the seat.
Oh, why is that safer?
Well, when the plane shakes or when someone opens the bin, a heavy bag can fall down.
I see. So it could fall on someone's head.
Exactly. We don't want that. For a heavy one, under the seat is much safer.
That makes sense. So my big light bag can go up in the bin.
Yes, a big carry-on like that is fine up here. Let me lift it for you.
Thank you. You are very kind.
And this small heavy bag? Please push it under the seat in front of you.
Like this. It fits.
Perfect. And you can still put your feet on top of it, no problem.
Great. Now I understand. Nothing heavy will fall down on me.
That's right. Enjoy your flight.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Please sit down and put on your seatbelt.
Good evening. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, please. What do you have?
We have water, coffee, tea, apple juice, orange juice, and tomato juice.
Let me think.
Take your time. No rush.
Okay. Tomato juice, please.
Tomato juice. Good choice.
You know, I never order tomato juice on the ground. Never.
A lot of people say that.
Really? Why's that?
A lot of people order it up here. Things taste different on a plane.
Different. What do you mean?
Up here, the air is thin and dry, so sweet things and salty things taste weaker.
Oh, so I can't taste sugar and salt very well?
That's right. But tomato juice still tastes good up here, so many people like it on a plane.
That's so interesting. I never knew that.
Now you have a fun fact for your trip.
I do. I feel like a smart traveler now.
Here is your tomato juice. Be careful, it's full.
Thank you. Let me try it.
How is it?
Wow, it really tastes good up here. You were right.
I told you, it's a popular drink on planes.
Now I understand why. I will order it every flight.
That's a good plan. Would you like some water, too?
Yes, please. A cup of water would be great.
Here you go. Drink lots of water on the plane. It's good for you.
Why should I drink so much water?
The air is very dry up here. Water helps you feel better.
Okay, I will drink a lot then. Thank you very much.
My pleasure. Do you need anything else?
No, that's all for now. Thank you.
Enjoy your drink. I will come back later.
Ellie, wake up. You have to try this tomato juice. The food is coming now. I'm hungry.
Me too. What are the choices?
Chicken or beef? Which one do you want?
I'll have the chicken. What about you?
I'll take the beef. Let's try both and share.
Good idea. Oh, look. Look out the window.
Wow, look at all those clouds. They look like a soft white sea.
And the sun. The sky is orange and pink. It's so beautiful.
It really is. I don't see this on the ground.
This is why I love the window seat. Just look at it.
You were right to pick 23A.
You were right. I told you. It's the best seat on the plane.
Let's eat while we watch the sky.
Yes. Burr, are you cold? I feel a little cold.
Yeah, it's cold in here. Planes are always cold.
My throat feels dry too. I keep wanting to drink water.
That's normal. The air up here is drier than a desert.
Drier than a desert? Really?
Yes, so drink lots of water. It helps your throat.
Good tip. I will drink more water. But I'm still cold though.
There's a blanket in the seat pocket. Here, take one.
Oh, a blanket? Right in front of me?
Yes, in the pocket behind the seat, there is one for you too.
Perfect. Let me open it up.
Put it over your legs. It keeps you warm.
Ah, this is nice and warm now.
Good. I have my blanket too.
Much better. Now I'm not cold anymore.
Warm blanket, good food, and a beautiful sky.
This is a perfect flight. I'm so happy right now.
Me too. Look, the sun is going down more.
The colors are changing. Now it's dark orange and gold.
It's like a painting. I could watch this all day.
Keep this window seat for me forever, okay?
Okay, it's all yours.
Whoa, the plane is shaking. Sam is sleeping. Oh no, is everything okay?
Please stay calm. Everything is fine.
The plane is shaking so much. I'm a little scared.
It's just turbulence. It's very normal.
Turbulence? What is that?
Turbulence is bumpy air. The plane moves through rough air, so we feel a little shaking.
But is the plane okay? It feels strong.
The plane is very strong. It is built for this. Don't worry.
So this happens a lot?
Yes, all the time. It's like a car on a bumpy road. It's normal.
Oh, look, the seatbelt sign is on.
Yes, when the light comes on, please fasten your seatbelt.
Okay, let me put it on right now.
Good. Please keep your seatbelt on until the light goes off.
Should I wake up Sam?
Yes, please check his seatbelt too.
Sam, wake up. Put on your seatbelt.
When you sit, always keep your belt on, just in case.
I feel better now. Thank you for telling me.
Of course, turbulence sounds scary, but it is usually safe. The pilots know what to do.
You're very calm. That helps me feel calm too.
That's my job. I fly every day, so I know this feeling well.
How long have you been a flight attendant?
For 6 years now, I have felt turbulence many, many times.
6 years? So this is really normal for you.
Very normal. The plane is safe. Just stay in your seat.
Okay, I will keep my belt on, and I will tell Sam too.
Good. When the light goes off, you can walk again.
The shaking is stopping now.
See? It's over. That wasn't so bad.
No, it wasn't. Thank you again.
You're welcome. I'll check on you later. Just relax.
I feel much safer now. You are very good at your job.
Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your flight.
Excuse me, here is your arrival card, one for each of you.
An arrival card? What is this for?
You need it before you land. Many countries still use paper cards like this.
Oh, I see. What do I write on it?
Just write your name, your passport number, and where you will stay.
My name and passport number, okay, and where I will stay.
Yes, the name of your hotel and the address.
Got it. Oh no, I don't have a pen.
No problem. Here, you can use mine.
Thank you so much. You're saving me.
Take your time. Let me show you. This box is for your name.
First name here, family name here.
Yes, exactly. And this line is for your passport number.
Let me find my passport. Here it is. This long number?
That's the one. Write it carefully.
Okay, and this part?
That's for your address here. Write your hotel name.
And this box says length of stay. What does that mean?
It means how many days you will stay. How long is your trip?
We are staying for 7 days.
Then write 7 days right there.
Should I write it in English?
Yes, English is usually okay.
Okay, 7 days. Done.
Nice. This card is important, so write clearly.
This is easy with your help. Thank you.
You're doing great. Don't forget to sign at the bottom.
Sign here. Okay, done.
Perfect. Keep the card with your passport. You will need it at the airport.
I will. Thank you for the pen and the help.
My pleasure. We land soon. Please get ready.
Ellie, we are going down. We are almost there.
Really? Let me look out the window.
The crew asked us to open the window shade. Can you open it?
Yes, I'm opening it now. Oh, look at the city.
Wow, the buildings look so small from up here.
This is it. This is what I wanted to see. The streets, the houses, everything.
You waited the whole flight for this view.
And I am so happy I waited. Look, there are cars, like little toys.
It's beautiful. I'm glad you got the window seat.
By the way, why do they open the window shade for landing?
It's for safety, so we can see outside if something happens.
Oh, so the crew can see out too?
Yes, and our eyes can see outside better. It helps if we need to leave fast.
That's smart. I never thought about that.
Now you know. Open the shade for takeoff and landing.
We are getting so close. I can see the airport now.
I can see the runway too. It's a long gray line.
My ears feel funny. They feel full.
That happens when we go down. Try to swallow. It helps.
Oh, that's better. Thank you.
Hold on. The wheels are coming down. Get ready.
Here we go. And we're down. We landed.
We made it. A new place, a new trip.
That was a great flight. The crew was so kind to us.
They really were. Let's say thank you when we leave.
Good idea. Let's wait for the sign, then get our bags.
Don't forget your bag under the seat.
Oh, right, the heavy one. Thanks for reminding me.
Let's go. Our trip is just beginning.
I'm so excited. Thank you for the flight. Goodbye.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. Why do many people order tomato juice on an airplane? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.